Ani. My name is Austin Lowe's and I'm the chairman of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians. As you may know, fishing is an intergenerational tradition for Anishinaabe people. It's one of the many ways we sustain ourselves and strengthen connections to our culture and our identity. This led to tribal leaders working with the city of Sault Ste. Marie to allow snagging at the Carbide Dock, also known as the Powerhouse. Snagging involves using a weighted hook to harvest fish that may not be feeding. This method may be unfamiliar to you, but it is a time-honored practice our people have used for generations, and it's one of the ways that we exercise our treaty rights. In 1836, our ancestors made an agreement with the U.S. government to cede nearly 14 million acres of land that would later allow Michigan to become a state. In exchange, the Anishinaabe were guaranteed certain rights, including the retention of our fishing, hunting, and gathering rights. As our members exercise these rights, their harvest is managed responsibly by tribal governments, community leaders, conservation officers, and biologists to protect fish populations for the next 7 generations. Tribal fishers know that they must follow strict regulations, including limits, seasons, and reporting requirements that in many ways are even more detailed than the state of Michigan's. These are rights, not privileges, that our ancestors retained as they ceded their lands and waters to the U.S. So when you see our fishers out snagging, please say Ani or hello, and remember that you are seeing a nearly 190-year-old promise being kept and an ancient tradition being passed on.